Okay, church, so this is a big notice that in August for our summer holidays, we're not going to be doing evening services here at Excel Church, but what we are going to be doing is some outings in the afternoon after the morning services. So take a note of these. On the 4th of August, we're going to be doing a church picnic at Hickman Park. The week after, on the 11th, we're going to be going to Ironbridge. And after that, on the 18th, we're going to be going to Sandwell Valley Park. And on the last week of that month, we're going to be going to Trentham Gardens on the 25th. So make a note of all those dates. Come along, we'll have a lovely time together on some Sundays and we'll make the most of summer together.
Black skies, the darkness must precede the dawn. Wait with me, love, till the sunrise. Wait, your night will soon fade out.
So guys, that's all for church news, but don't forget this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. Have a great week, guys.